Hello, in this video we will focus on making a double-sided knit that is really simple and has a fine texture and excellent relief. The wrong side looks like an elastic knit with 2 knit and 1 purl stitches. 2 rows and 3 loops form the pattern. We are getting started on the right side. Row 1 right side. In this row, we work in triples. The repeat pattern is: pull up a loop between the first and second, slip the first stitch, slip the second with a thread in front, and purl the third from the bottom row. Again, pull up a loop, slip the first stitch, slip the second with a thread in front, and purl the third from the bottom row. Again, pull up a loop, slip the first stitch, slip the second with a thread in front, and purl the third from the bottom row. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 2 wrong side. The repeat pattern is knit 2, purl 2 together. Knit 2, purl 2 together. Knit 2, purl 2 together. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. This unusual and easy to make double-sided stretch knit is suitable for any yarn and for any season. Due to its lovely texture, double-sidedness, and elastic properties, it is also perfect for light scarves and capes. I highly recommend it. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.